Gian, congratulations again. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Alright, my name is Gian Almazan. I am 19 years old from Rosario, Batangas, and I'm taking Certificate in Kitchen Management and Diploma in Hospitality Management.
So, Gian, what inspired you to study abroad, specifically in Australia?
For me, it's the lifestyle. It's the way of living. And I'm also excited about meeting different cultures, different people. It's, the cultural diversity. While I think Australia is also a perfect place for academic and personal growth.
When it comes to choosing your school naman and your course, how did you come up with your course in school?
I know a lot of people who goes there sa Kingsford International Institute, and I've seen them grow. That's why I want to be one of them. Plus, I chose this kitchen management because I am passionate about cooking. It's one thing that I really, really love, and gusto ko siya i-take internationally so that mas lumawak pa yung knowledge ko, so that kapag nag-start na ako ng business someday, I can use everything na matututunan ko and bring it here to be successful.
What was your experience naman in applying for student visa?
To me, parang hassle-free siya. Siguro sa documents, pangwalekta din ako medyo natagalan. But overall, kapag na-submit ko na siya, parang wala nang stress, mabilis nila na process, and never talaga ako na-stress.
Right, that's good. So, can you tell us something kung meron ka bang mga naging challenges and how did you overcome them?
To me, parang siguro sa English test, hindi ako nakapag-prepare gaano kasi parang may nahabol akong time, but easy lang siya for me. Naipasa ko siya kahit medyo stressful. Lang naman yung struggle, siguro my advice is that manood na kayo sa TikTok, manood kayo ng mga videos online, magbasa-basa, and you'll overcome it.
Ayun. Sa experience mo naman, how long did the process take, and ano naman yung mga advice na pwede mong ibigay sa mga gusto ding mag-apply for student visa?
I started, I think October last year. Umabot lang siya at this point kasi medyo natagalan ako sa pangungulat ng mga documents. Aside from that, mabilis siya. Mabilis siya kasi parang recently ko lang din naman na-kompleto yung documents ko, and nung na-kompleto ko na siya, tuloy-tuloy na from visa application after ilang days, medical na, and then after parang wala pang 2 weeks, approve na yung visa. Very fast. Basta kompletuhin na agad yung document.
Forward naman in preparing your life in Australia, ano yung bagay na most excited ka when it comes to moving in Australia?
What I'm very excited about is that magiging independent na ako finally. Finally, hindi na ako asa sa mother. Finally, para makakapag-solo na ako, makakapag-explore na ako by myself, and mas mag-mature.
And how are you preparing naman for your life as an international student when it comes to housing, budgeting, or lifestyle changes?
Parang for me sa budgeting, hindi na ako ganun ka na-stress kasi parang na-idea na ako on how to budget. Pero sa housing, yes, medyo stressful siya, pero in less than a week, nakahanap na lang ako ng house na medyo pasok sa budget. Siguro ang pinaprepare ko na lang is myself mentally kasi mapapalayo ako sa family. For me, parang ang suggestion ko pag mag-ibang bansa kayo is that prepare nyo yung sarili nyo mentally kasi I know some people, nakikita ko sa TikTok, na parang okay na sila, parang okay ng life nila doon kasi nag-give up sila, umuwi sila just because homesick. So prepare yourself sa realities abroad.
So yun, Gian, itong pag-move mo sa Australia, this is a very big move. So ano naman yung mga concerns or fear mo dito sa move mo na to, and how are you handling them?
My biggest fear is that, being alone abroad, I have nobody there to support me. So, I'm all by myself. And parang planning para maiwasan yung gano'n parang I'd make friends, I'd make connections with other people so that I wouldn't feel lonely and may maasahan in case of emergency.
Yes, and I'm sure magiging very easy lang yun sa'yo, yung pag-make ng friends. Because of your personality siya.
I love meeting people, I love talking.
What do you hope to achieve during your time in Australia, both academically and personally?
What I'm trying to achieve is mas maging, sabi ko na pala, maging independent, to be able to sustain myself and my family, to grow as a person. Also, academically, I want to bring everything na matututunan ko doon back here, especially kapag mag-start siguro ako mag-business in the future. Yung mga natutunan ko from different people, sa school, and everything, all that experiences, madala ko siya here and use it sa future endeavors.
That's very nice. And syempre, meron mga aspiring student na unsure sa ginawa mong move of applying sa student visa. So, if you could give them any advice to those students who are thinking about studying abroad, pero yun nga, unsure, ano yung ibibigay mong advice para sa kanila?
Well, if you have all the means, the resources, the lakas ng loob, I think go for it. You're young, you should try things, you should go out of your comfort zone, and hindi naman natin alam kung anong nangyayari abroad. So, let's see. So, kapag kaya mo naman, mentally, kung afford mo naman siya, why not go for it? Do it now.
Yes, you should shoot your shot, sabi nga na.
Habang may time pa.
Yes. And of course, if you could give one piece of advice naman to your past self before starting this journey, what would it be?
My advice would be, siguro since fresh high school graduate naman ako, I think simula siguro nung pagka-graduate ko, dapat mas nag-gain pa ako ng more experiences. Gumala with friends, or me personally after ko graduate, siguro after ng bakasyon, nag-take ako ng NC2 sa TESDA so that para mo talaga ako sa resume, or yun nag-gain ako na experience and feel ko dapat dinagdagan ko pa siya. Tumapa siguro ako sa pag-NC2 and siguro try muna ako ng job dito para kapag siguro naisipan ko man magtrabaho abroad, then hindi na ako mabibigla sa reality. Hello everyone, my name is Gian. I am a senior high school graduate here in the Philippines, and I am thrilled to share that I have just had my student visa granted for Australia. And I couldn't have done it without the support and the help of O Pacific Group. They've guided me every step of the way, making this process smooth and hassle-free. And if you've been thinking about going to Australia, now is the perfect time to start your journey. So don't wait and take that first step today. Now, if you're like me who wants to balance life and studies, now is the perfect time. Reach out to O Pacific Group and let them help turn your dreams into reality. Your future in Australia starts now.